Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, stop it, you silly blanket! Good morning, friends. Let's start our morning together. Let's do some morning exercise. Are you guys ready? Stretch your arms to your head, then to your toes. All right, friends, we're done with morning stretching. It's time to wash face. Friends, let's wash our face. It feels fresh. Now let's brush our teeth. We should brush our teeth. Friends, we should always wash our teeth and face in the morning, okay? Now let's get ready for breakfast. I'm going to wear my favorite blue shirt with blue pants. I am ready for breakfast. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy. Friends, we should always do breakfast after waking up in the morning and before going to school. All right, friends, it's time to go to school. I will see you guys tomorrow. School time. Bye, friends. Hey, wait, guys. If you want to learn more good habits, then please like, share, and subscribe the page. Thank you.